Assalamu alaikum, this is Mustafa from Mechanic and Hydraulic World page. Today we have a good lesson how to assemble the cylinders for the telescopic crane. Okay, this is for groove crane. We have two cylinders. This
Now
is the
we
rods.
are watching the rods.
Today I will show you how to assemble and fix it in the correct way. Let me start by the upper rod. This one is the upper one, and this is for the lower rod for the boom. Okay, the upper rod, it divides to two parts. This part, okay, this is the head, this is the guide, this is the lock with the seals, and here we have small rod. This is for the fly. So the first one is divided to two rods. The big rod, this one, and this is the inner rod. It's also the same lengths. Okay. Now, guys, let me start to assemble and fix the new seals in the head. Okay. Let me start by the upper one. This is the wiper ring. The second one is the wheel ring. It's 5 millimeter mm. The third one is the backup ring, and we have deep Z seal or pressure seal, and we have buffer seal. Okay. Then we have the wear seal. We have two. One, and the last one is the wear seal. Okay. Now let me fix it on the rod. Lubricate the shaft and the seals, and we start to fix the head. Take care when you fix the new seals. Use a piece of wood and a hammer to fix the head. Fixing the head of the cylinder. Okay, we want to fix the guide for the rod. This is the guide. Okay. Now we want to start to fix the seals, the new seal for the lower head, or they call it piston. Inside this head we have the thread here, okay, and we have lock downside here. It's Allen key. We can tighten it from outside this side, okay. Now apply a little amount of grease for the inner seal and the backup ring. Be sure that the thread is clean, okay? And now we'll start to fix the piston or the tighten it to the end, okay, by torque, and don't forget at the end to put the Allen key, the lock for this nut. Put on the end bit of the rod one pipe wrench to hold it, okay. Now bring this tool, okay, and round it around the nut and try to tighten it by this special tool for tie the nuts of the rods. Now we insert here a piece of Teflon is coming with the kit, okay, and we put this lock. Sure, we put the thread lock also, and we tighten it to the end to prevent damage the thread of the rod, and we tighten it full tight. This is the lock for the lower piston for the cylinder, boom cylinder. Okay guys, after tightening the lock, Allen key here, okay, now we with the full torque, now we start to fix the rest seals, one and here one set and one set here, okay? But please always take care for the direction of the seal when you installing them. Always we want to take care for the direction. This side, the direction, and that one for the lip for that side. Now we fix the locks for the seals. So here we have one lock, and here's the second lock. And the second rod, we fix the same, this one. Now we start to fix that one, the same way, the same direction, but the difference between this rod and this rod, that one we have two rods, the inner one and the outer one. Now we fix the weir block in the middle. So now it's ready. We fix the seals. Always take care for the direction of the lips of the seal. Okay. Here is the head is ready. Here is the guide. Okay, it's here. And this is the second one. Now the seals are ready and the rods are ready to fix inside the barrel. Okay, now after finishing assembly and fixing the seals, everything, now prepare to use the forklifts, the crane. Always be safety, work safely. The rod in a correct way is safe. Okay. So this is the barrel for the telescopic cylinder, the lower one and the upper one. Now we'll start with the lower one. We want to insert the rod inside the barrel. Lubricate the seals. And here we have one seal. We will not fix it. More seal. We'll fix it later. When we'll fix this rod inside the barrel, and we pull it outside, then we will fix this seal. So now we cannot fix the seal. If we fix it, we'll break it. This is next step. We will make alignment 100%. Okay. Then we start pushing it inside. Now put the grease here on the head to protect the seal. So here we have one seal. I talked about it before. We will not fix it now because we will destroy it. Okay, I will show you the location there now. When we finish, when you insert this inside the barrel, then we can fix that one and then push it inside. I will show you the location. Here, this is the location. When the small rod come outside, okay, then we fix the seal, the O-ring, then we push it inside. So because we have here groove, it's okay for it. Okay, pull this rod a little bit outside. Okay, excellent. And here we fix the wheel lock and the application. So now we are ready to fix it. Okay. Now we insert it here. Now push the cylinder carefully, okay, by forklift, but take care. No need to bend the rod or any accident or anything. Alignment 100%. So you are watching now how it's entering easily.
Out, out, in, out.
Okay, I agree.
Out. Out, out.
I'm pushing the rod from there. You want to see the smaller one. So come now here. So want to take care now. After the first cylinder is ready, now we want to assemble it. Fix the second cylinder. The rod. This is the rod. Alignment 100%. Then the same procedure of the first one. We'll fix it. Grease on the seals and the wheel locks. Final check. Today is windy day. It's very bad.
Okay, finish. Okay, now push, push, push. No, it is wiping. Because the day is today very bad day.
Yeah, it's windy day.
Look, just, yeah.
No problem. We have a wiper seal. It can clean this dust. We will push it to the end. The road will be there to the end. I think let he release it now. Maybe it's check it. You see? Okay. Okay. Come, yalla, go. Little up. We will continue this video inshallah soon, okay? And the next video, part 2, we want to fix this both two cylinders, the upper and the lower, inside the fly section. Then we will want to fix the inner mid, the outer mid sections, and with the base together, okay? Please, my friends, like, share and subscribe on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.